One of my customer, when I sold him a mower, and he told me that he have a lawn boy home and is not running. That's why he's buying another one. So I was like, yeah, text me the picture. Maybe we can work a deal that I can buy you a few, and instead of throwing it on the curb. So he texted me the picture, looks good, and I went there and I checked it out, and he said when I put ether in the carb it starts, but it dies after a while. So I say, yeah, it's a good deal. So I got it, and when I came home it was raining heavy. I covered the engine with a plastic bag, and I just took it out today. It's a little sunny and windy, so let's try it. So it's not gonna start by itself, so let's do that. I checked, there's a oil and there's some gas in there, so it doesn't start. A little dirty, of course. Let's put some juice in the carb and see if it's running, as he said. Okay, let's see. Yeah, started it and it died. So yeah, so that's means carb clean.